screen cranked up here. Alright, guys. So, who can tell me by raising their hand what a tally mark is? Tell me what a tally mark is, Amari.
A line.
Okay, just one line? Help him, Olivia. What's a tally mark? Do we record our numbers with tally marks and names? Tell me.
If you do 4 tally marks and you want to do 5, you got to cross.
Perfect. That's right. Now, why would we use tally marks?
Because
Noah, thank you for raising your hand.
to count.
Okay, to count. To count faster. I love that, Joyce. When we do tally marks, do we count every single tally mark?
No, we don't.
No, because when we see that cross, it tells us what?
To stop.
It tells us there is 5. Very good. So this morning, you are going to get to spin a number. Okay, Miss House is going to show you, just like this on the spinner. And when you spin your number, you're going to write that number in this blank. Okay? And then not only are you going to show me with tally marks, but you're going to use a tens frame. Who can tell me about a tens frame? Kylie. Okay, she said you put dots in there for 10 or different numbers. So, Kylie, if I got the number 10, what would I do with the tens frame? To do, okay, the whole tens frame, she said. So I would put dots in every single spot in the tens frame. What if I got a different number? Devon? Like, tell me a number. 5. What would I do for the do to the tens frame then? Would I fill up the tens frame?
No.
What would I do?
You would just fill up the top.
Okay, maybe just fill up the top. Only 5 dots in the tens frame? Okay, very good. So let's practice. You ready to watch, Miss House? Alright, so I'm going to spin my first number. Okay, what number did I get?
7.
Here, let's see. I'll make this a little bit bigger. Alright, so I'm going to write my number right here. It says my number, 7. Okay, and for the tens frame, I'm going to do how many dots? 7. Good. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I love the way that you're counting with me. Now, you know what? I need your help right here because I'm about to do tally marks, and I forgot when to cross. So while I'm counting, will you tell me where to cross my tally mark? Okay, let's see. Ready? How many tally marks? 7. Very good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cross.
Thank you so much. Right here. So how many tally marks right now?
5.
So how many more to make 7?
2.
Very good. So 5, 6, 7. Now, do you think I'm done? Does this look like I'm done?
No.
You know what else they want us to do?
What? More than that.
They want us to show more than 7 and less than 7. Now, we all know a number that's more than 7. Devon, you want to tell me a number more than 7? 10. All right, what am I going to do with my tens frame? Fill the whole thing up. You ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so am I done?
No.
What else do I need to do?
Tally marks.
Am I going to do 7 tally marks?
No.
10. We want our tally marks to match our tens frame. Okay, so will you tell me when to cross? All right, I'm going to do 10 tally marks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cross.
Thank you. So now we got 5. Let's keep counting. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Cross.
So how many do we have now?
10.
Okay, so if I'm going to count these 10 tally marks, am I going to go 1, 2, 3, 4?
No.
What am I going to do?
You know that's 5.
I know it's 5, so I can count by
5.
5. Let's try it. You ready? 5, 10. Man, wasn't that quick?
Yeah.
That was a lot faster than going 1, 2, 3. You can count by 5s. That's what tally marks help us do. All right, so am I done?
No.
Okay, what else do I need to do, Angel? What's this word right here? What do they want me to do? A number less than 7? Because this is our number. Everything we do has to be about 7. So we found a number more than 7. So now we need to find a number that is less than 7. Anna, do you have a number less than 7? 2. Do we agree?
Yeah.
Show me if you agree with Anna. I think that is right. Okay, let's see. Ready? 1, 2. So then I need to do what underneath the tens frame?
2 tally marks.
2 tally marks. Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2.
Stop.
Now, and that's it. Number 1's done. So guess what? I have spun a number. I showed you on my tens frame. Actually, you showed me. You helped me a lot. And we did tally marks, and we showed a number that is more and less than number 7. So, really quickly, we're going to get some wiggles out. I want you to stand up. We're going to do our tally mark cheater, okay?
Yay.
Just so we remember where that cross goes. All right, before we go to our seat and do something really fun, get your hands ready. And remember what we do for that 5th tally? All right, so let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Kiss your brain. Pop squat. All right, here's what we're going to do. You ready? I have got some sticks, and I'm going to let you take, actually I'm going to give everybody a different number. I'm going to give you just a couple sticks. I'm going to let you show me tally marks on your desk with these sticks. We're not gluing them. You don't have to do anything to them. You're just going to lay them down on your desk and show me how to make this number of sticks into tally marks. Capiche? Pretty easy? When you get your sticks, tiptoe to your seat.
You want to tell us what number?
No, you're going to count what number you have when you get them. And you're going to show me in tally marks.
I feel like I want to eat them.
They're not toothpicks.
It looks like toothpicks.
And I'm gonna come around and check. Maybe with my Skittles. So tiptoe to your seat and show me tally marks. You go, Amari. You're welcome. Thank you for those manners. You're welcome. Be careful because one side of this stick's a little bit pointy. Ooh, I can't wait to see these tally marks. Ooh, I'm already seeing some that look awesome. Hey, do you know what else I would like for you to do? Whenever you finish making your sticks into tally marks, I want you to count them, get out your sock and your marker, and you can write that number on your desk.
Yay!
Okay? Looking good, looking good. Rock and roll, Angel. Show me a quiet thumb whenever you finish.
5.
Get your sock and marker and show me.
Come on.
8, 9,
Show me a quiet thumb whenever you're finished.
10,
How many is this? 5. And then 2. So 5 and 2 is rock and roll. You can erase your number. Very good, Paul. Those tally marks are perfect. Let's count them. Ready?
6, 5, 6.
Very good. Good job, Tashawn. Can you count them?
5, 10, 11.
Rock and roll. Olivia, can you count them for me?
5, 6, 7.
Awesome. Kiss your brain. You can erase it. Ooh, I'm so impressed. My mathematicians. Can you count them for me?
I got 5, 6.
Very good. That's pretty easy. Can you count them? Rock and roll, girl. You can erase your number. Can you count them for me, Amari?
I got 9.
Okay, count them for me.
1, 2,
Okay, now do we count 1, 2, 3, 4? If we have a tally, what can we do?
5.
Okay.
He said 6.
Rock and roll, man. All right. You want to count them for me, bub?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job, Noah.
I want you to do this into a little stick man.
Very good,
Out of
Kylie.
3 sticks.
All right, you want to count them for me?
5, 6, 7.
Write that number on your desk. Kiss your brain. All right, is there anybody I have not checked? Have I have to check yours? Okay, count them for me. Good job. Very good. I know we're used to counting by tens a lot, and some of you are saying 10, but then you fix it. So that's using your smart math brain. Okay, can you count them for me? Hang on, is this 10?
11, 12.
Very good. You got some marker on your face back. Did I check yours, Anna? Okay, count them for me.
5.
Rock and roll, girly. Who have I not checked over here? Okay, count them for me, Joyce. Very good. All right. Did you do them? Did you count them for me? Count them for me. Hey guys, if you've earned a Skittle from Miss House, you may erase your desk, pick up your sticks. Count them for me, baby. Count them. Did you count them for me already now? Okay, count them for me. Very good. I give you a Skittle. Okay, this is what I want you to do.
She had 6, and she only had 2.
When I come to your, actually, I'm going to let Elena be my helper. Elena's going to come. Once your number's erased off your desk, your marker can go in your sock, and your sock can go in your desk. Devon, Eve, Bernard, we're listening to instructions. Your marker goes in your sock, and your sock goes in your desk. We don't even need that anymore. Elena's going to come around with my baggie to get your sticks. Please just drop them in the bag when she comes to you. I'm going to hand out your paper. And let me see another friend. Joycey, would you like to be my helper? Joyce is going to bring you a spinner. And once you get that spinner, all you need is your pencil and you can go. We've got 1, 2, 3 examples. Don't forget, once you get your number, they want you to show me more and less. Do we need to use our spinner for more and less? No, because you know a number in your brain that's more and less, right? All right, will you go get that box of spinners? And you know what? Today, let's write our name on the back of the paper. Can you do that for Miss House? I'm going to lay it down flat because I want you to write your name on the back for me. And then you can flip it over and start.
I only got 7.
Write your name on the back. Once you write your name on the back, you can flip it over. And you can begin. Write your name on the back.
You can't find her.
Will you stick your sticks in the back, baby? Thank you. Put your sock and marker up. We'll find it. It's all right. It's okay. We're going to find it later. I want to have happy attitude. Write your name on the back. I'll take a baby. Thank you. Put your sock up. Put your name on the back, and then you can begin once you get your spinner. Ooh, Blue Table just earned a table star. Kiss your brains. Y'all look like superstars over here. So patient. Thank you. Once you get a spinner, remember, put your name on the back first. Put your name on the back, and you can flip it over and begin. What you need, baby?
What if we don't think I can go there?
Well, that's on 5. See? All right, did everybody find their sticks? Thank you, Joyce.
Mine don't flip.
Oh, look,
Plus,
she's got one.
look.
Come here.
Look, it's supposed to be
Take that
big.
one.
Mine can't do it.
Thank you, sweet helper. Put your name on the back and you can flip over and begin.
There, I got it. You're supposed to do that.
Ooh, guys, mathematician alert. Listen, Morelli spun the number 1. And then for less, guess what she showed me?
0.
0. Because is there a number that's less than 1 other than 0? No. So her tens frame and her tally marks are blank. Rock and roll, Morelli. That's a tricky one. I'll get you one, though.
I have the number 2. More than 2.
You're only spinning for number 1, 2, and 3, and then you find more and less.
Miss House.
Okay.
I got
And then now you're going to show me more and less. So you don't need this right now. Yeah. Okay, now show me more and less than 5. I'm seeing superstar work. I'm so impressed. Mathematicians.
Tens frames. Number. What?
Just like you did down here.
No, it does.
Yeah, 1 and
Show me that 10. Good job, Corey.
This was 9.
3. Let's say 3. Sometimes it lands in the middle and you might need to spin it again.
8. More than 6.
I love when I see your tally marks matching your tens frame perfectly. I love it. Can you go potty? Go. Shut far up. Now you can spin again for number 2. Those tally marks are good looking. Love it.
Less.
Y'all are doing tally marks like 2nd graders. I'm so impressed.
4.
Alright guys, there are some friends who are finishing up, so listen, this is what you're going to do when you're finished. You're going to bring your paper and your spinner, and you're going to sit them right here on the center table and then tiptoe to your square. It's not a race. It's not a race. Thank you. Siva.
There you go.
You show me 1 and a 10 frame of diamond. If this is 1, you're supposed to show me that here in the 10 frame and tally mark. Show me that number. This is where you show me less. Show me tally mark. So now, less is what? Very good. So you're ready to spin again for number 2.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Thank you, my friend. The carpet sitting so nice and quiet. I love it. Not, but you get my point.
9.
You may come to a couple of sight words, and once you do about 5 or 6, find another 5. Remember, you're going to whisper those words. Olivia, you make a.
Because he said next up is number 2, and I got number 2.
That's good. So now show me more and less than 2.
This
Well, remember, is there another number that's less than 5 that you could show me? Okay, show me 3. 3 is less than 5. Very good. Good job. Did you put your paper over here? Show me your tally mark. Good job, Amari. Who wants this? You done? Done? Good job, girlfriend. You're sitting on the center table. Understand? Did you forget anything right here? love those quiet whispers. Rock and roll. Okay, one more person, Anais. On the center table, baby. Center table for her. One more person. That's right, Elena. Hey, guys, just making sure. Did everybody give me your paper? Nobody accidentally put it in their birdie folder, did they? Good deal. All right, watch Elena. 5 words. I'm coming right there. Just put it on the center table. Good, you can stick it up. All right, you'll turn and face the front. Miss House is on her way. Put it on the center table, okay? Guys, I am so impressed because not only were you able to show me a number with tens frames and tally marks, but guess what? You showed me a number that's more than your number and a number that is less than your number. So kiss your brain. Y'all are so smart. I love it. Oh.
Grandma Wilson.
All right, Corey. Grandma Wilson. All right, I have a few questions. Thank you, Corey. All right, are we ready? Real quick, I want to see who can raise their hand and answer a few questions for Miss House. Okay? Gotta hear the question first. How do tally marks make counting easier? Tyshawn?
Because you can do it by 10s, 5s, and 20s.
You got it. Kiss your brain. You can, with tally marks, you can count by 10s, you can count by 5s. He said you can even group them and count by 20s. Awesome. How does a tens frame help us count a number? Devon?
They help us.
When you look at a tens...
They're the same as tally marks, but they don't have crosses.
Okay, they're similar to tally marks. When you look at a tens frame, how does it help us count? Can you easily see that there are 5?
Yes.
Can you easily see that there are 5?
Yes.
And so we know that 5 and 5 is 10. How about here? Can you easily see 5?
Yes.
Can you easily see 2?
Yes.
5 and 2 make
7. And there's some type charts that you see like 2 double 10 sharp.
Yes, you're right. 2 tens frames. I see what you're saying. All right. So who can explain how you would represent the number 3 in tally marks? Who can explain? Just tell me, Tyshawn.
You can represent the number 3 by doing 3 lines.
That's a perfect answer. Kiss your brain. Now, how could you count this number easily? Can we count 3 tally marks by 5?
No.
How about 6 tally marks?
Yeah.
How would we count 6 tally marks? What would we do at Nace?
You would say 5, and you 6. It adds 1 more, and it would be 6 and just 1 tally.
You got it, girl. You see 5 and you say 5, and see 1 more, 6. Good job. Explain how you would represent the number 7 in a tens frame. In a tens frame, Noah.
You would see 5, and then you would see 2 more.
You got it. Because the top of the tens frame is 5. You fill in 5 and then 2 more. Good job, buddy. And then, how would you count that easily, Noah?
You could count it.
You want to help him, Devon?
You can say 5 at the top, then 2 is 7.
Kind of like our tally marks. With a tens frame, you see 5, and then you count those 2 more. Is that what you were going to say, Noah? Good job. All right, last question. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
How do these numbers, they're called benchmark numbers, how do these numbers help us keep track of counting? 5, 10, 15, Anais, how do they help us keep track?
You just, because you could, like, just say 10, like, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. Like,
Instead of doing what?
1, 2, 3.
So it helps us count a lot faster, right? we group those numbers and we skip count, okay? And we're doing 5, 10. We don't have to count every single number.
We don't have to count by one.
That's right. You don't have to count by ones. Kiss your brain. I'm so proud of you guys. Or by twos. That's right.